guys.
Okay, so what do you think?
Happy Monday, guys. Happy Monday. Hope y'all are doing well. Hope y'all are doing well, guys. It is orientation day. Orientation day with the builder, with my veteran family. All right, guys. They built this beautiful 5-bedroom home with the game room, media room, and office. Hey, Big Mike, how you doing?
Good, how you doing?
I know, I sure hate it was a miscommunication problem, and and we're doing our orientation.
So we can't do the inspection right now.
No, it's going to be a conflict of interest. Yeah.
Well, okay, well, I'll just come back.
Yeah, you come back. Are you going to be able to make it to the, you coming this weekend?
Yeah, I'm gonna make it.
Okay, I got you down for 2.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much, Mike. All right, there's their home inspector. One of my home inspectors, Wisdom, property inspections. And so he had come to do the home inspection. But anyway, back to the matter at hand. This is orientation day with the builder. This veteran family, dad's getting ready to retire. And this is where they wanted to build their home, right? We're over in Ellis County. He's going to be retiring later in the year. Served our great nation for a couple of decades. Time to get out and start new ventures. They're going to continue to raise their family, and they wanted a big one. They wanted a 5-bedroom. So this has 5 bedrooms, the game room, the media room, office. All right, so with this builder, guys, they gave a temporary door because, right, guys, you know, I'm always telling you about the supply chain issues that a lot of builders are having, right? This builder wanted this family to be able to go ahead and take possession of this home. So they're going to go ahead and they put a temporary door. Their door will come in a few weeks, maybe a month. Really not sure. That happens before. That's happened with some of my other clients. A lot of builders, they just want to go ahead and be able to give the families the homes. And so things like that, they had to put a temporary door, you know, to meet city standards, to get the COE, what do they call that? The clearance from the city. But at any rate, they got this temporary door up.
He's always keeping me updated. Doesn't lie. Very honest guy. So I don't have problem with children right now, so I don't want that to make me stuck.
I'll try my best and if I'm not running around, I'll be right there in my trailer.
Oh, that's yours. Okay.
So if you ever see me, the big black truck over there, it'll be
Right, but it's a modern elevation.
Oh, but you don't know if they're gonna do another. And that playground is for the whole
No, it's
Buffalo or
for Buffalo.